Welcome to My OCME tutorial. In this video, I will show you our new e-commerce. Let's start by creating a spare part cart with 2D drawings. With a click on the position number, you can add an item to the cart directly from the drawing. On the bottom of the screen, you can see your current shopping cart. Now we can continue adding spare parts using 3D tool. You can navigate the 3D object using Zoom, Rotate, Move, and Explore. Through Hide button, you can analyze the inside. Choose Detailing Cart to create the quotation. My Quotation allows you to find and check your offers. The app shows the content, shipping details, and quotation documents. Use My Order to monitor order status. Order document, photo packing list, and shipping information are a click away. Thank you and enjoy OCME app.